It's summer and we all love ice cream. Today I'm going to show you a healthier way to enjoy it. And there are only 2 ingredients. The first is organic coconut cream. When you get the organic coconut cream, you want to put the can in the back of the refrigerator, the coldest part, for at least 24 hours. The next ingredient we are going to use is frozen fruit. You can use frozen sliced up bananas, but today we are going to use organic triple berry blend from Costco. There are 2 parts to coconut cream. The top is hardened and the bottom is the liquid. We are going to use the hardened part on top. I'm going to use 1/3 cup of coconut cream and a cup of the mixed berries. First, we're going to add the coconut cream. Now we are going to pulse We're going to add the berries. And pulse again. And give it a whirl. You may need to stop every now and then and scrape the sides. This was about a minute in total. And how beautiful, look at that. Then we scoop it out. See how beautiful that is? Add some coconut and add drizzle of honey on top. Bon appetit. Enjoy. That's great.